How to stop or cancel a print job in macOS. If you are printing from your Mac and want to stop printing a document that has already been sent, there are three methods you can use to do this. Option 1. Cancel from the printer control panel. If the print job is currently printing, press the Cancel button on the printer control panel to cancel the job. Note, if the print job is too far into the printing process, the printer might still continue to print. Option 2. Cancel from the software program. Typically, a dialog box briefly displays on the computer screen after starting a print job. Select the Cancel button when the window is on screen to cancel the print job. Option 3. Cancel from the macOS print queue. To cancel a print job in progress, click the printer icon that appears in the dock to open the print queue window. Click the small X icon next to the print job that you want to cancel. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.